Welcome into the era of AI. Hello and welcome. Welcome to a Redbubble course update. In this update, I'm going to teach you how you can create awesome designs for your Redbubble store, starting from the stickers niche. Now, inside of Redbubble, you can sell stickers, and there's a lot of stickers here. So we're going to focus on the top selling stickers, since those are the ones that usually show up at the beginning. And so let me go and show you how this is done. First of all, I'm going to click on See All right here. And I want to show you some tools that you can utilize in order to create incredible designs. Now, this seller has been here since 2015. They only have about 212 designs right now. But let's say that you wanted to create designs like them, right? Let's say, for example, you wanted to create this particular sticker right here. You could click the sticker. Now, I'm just going to go and isolate the sticker itself. And what I want to do is I want to right click here. And I would like to, well, let me go inside. Okay, it seems to be that I can save it as, or I could actually just take a screenshot. And then I'll go to canva.com, where we can basically just crop the screenshot so that we can only keep the sticker itself. And I want to show you a feature inside of ChatGPT's DALLE3, which is incredible for this application. So for instance, if I click on Create Design right here, if I go to Custom Size, that's a sticker, so it's pretty much, well, I'm going to go for 4 by 5 inches. So in terms of the size, I'm going to switch to 4 by 5 inches and then click Create a Design. I already have basically taken a screenshot. You can take it by clicking a button on your screen, or you can search depending on if you have Mac or Windows. But the bottom line, the goal is to take a screenshot of the sticker because we want to generate something that looks like that. So once you take the screenshot, you come over here to Canva and you basically just paste this. And what I need to do is just get rid of everything else. Get rid of everything. Okay. Now, once I do get rid of everything, now I have the sticker. It's isolated. So what I can do with it is I can take it like this, increase its size until it fits perfectly like so. Now, what I can do as well is I can click Edit Image and try to get rid of the background. Okay, so let me zoom in. And there's the background removal option inside of Canva that I can use. It seems there is no background. Okay, I'm going to try to remove that heart. And then that's it. So now we have an image. So I'm gonna name this Kitty Sticker. And then I'm gonna go ahead and download this sticker. Now, of course, I'm not infringing on anybody's copyright because I'm not gonna use this commercially. I only want to show you that you can utilize a feature inside of ChatGPT, which is the describe feature, and it can describe what this image is. So if I click on upload right here, I can upload from my computer. And I can basically take this particular kitty and I can say, based on this image, give me some ideas for stickers like this one, or even better and more appealing and more cute. Now, I don't actually condone the practice of creating a product exactly like this one, because this is intellectual property of another creator. So, but what we're doing is we're just trying to show you that with images, you can use ChatGPT for the better. So here it gave us a couple of stickers that we can generate. All right. So as you can see, this is looking quite cool. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to say, now generate the mystical fox sticker, And then I'm going to go open up Discord because I want to use Midjourney as well for this application. Now, let's open up Discord. I want to show you that you can use Midjourney and ChatGPT in unison. So here we have this sticker. I'm afraid it looks really cool, but it must be a sticker. So I'm going to say it's not a sticker. This is not a sticker. It must be a sticker. So those stars and the rest will not be printed. And I'm going to say, you know what a sticker is. You know what a sticker is. So obviously, I want it to go ahead and redo the designs. And at the same time, I've opened up Midjourney because I want to use it as well. And there's another tool which is called Leonardo that we can utilize. So I'm going to go and open it up as well. Leonardo.ai. And it's also a paid tool. But they allow you to generate a couple of images for free because they give you access to a couple of free tokens. And this tool is also incredible. But now go back to ChatGPT to see. Now we have another sticker. This one, not bad. Okay. I don't think that's bad. And if you compare, you can see that these are really good quality stickers. So now that we generated this sticker, let's go and check. Now I'm going to say generate a second sticker and click enter. In which case it's going to proceed to generate the second sticker. And also at the same time, what I might do is I might use Midjourney. So I'm going to copy this image. Hopefully this works. I want to copy the image URL, but I need to wait for this one. This is one thing about DALLE3 is that when it's generating an image, you'll not be able to use other images. Okay, so here, let me close. It gave me a couple of stickers, except for the fact that, as you can see, there's more than just one sticker, right? So there's 1, 2, okay? Now I want to say I only want one sticker, not many. Not many. So it's good to prompt ChatGPT to do it because now it understands, okay, so what I want is just one individual sticker. And so it's going to go and proceed to do this. In the meantime, we could copy these prompts like so, and I can go to Leonardo AI. And inside of Leonardo, I can go to the image generation tool, and I'm using Leonardo Phoenix, which is the latest Leonardo model. And the size that I'm going to go for is a square size, since it's about a sticker. Well, you could go for a different size than a square, but I think a square is all too good. And I'm going to go for 2 images at a time to lower the amount of credits that I consume. And I'm going to leave everything else as is. I'm just going to paste my prompt here and click generate. Now let's go back and let's see the results. Okay, so finally it gave me one individual sticker. I have to say that this one actually looks even better than this one. So I'm going to redo this. I'm going to say keep the same design style though. Because what I wanted to keep the same design style from here because I love these ones and I think people also are going to love them. But what I want to do as well is I want to just prompt it to do it. Now in the meantime, inside of Midjourney, you can also access the Midjourney bot and start generating these beautiful stickers. So what I could do inside of Midjourney is basically just click /imagine. Not describe. I could describe an image, but I'm just going to click /imagine. And I want to paste in the prompt, but I'm going to say a cute fox sticker. The crescent moon surrounded by small stars, And then at the end of this, I'm actually going to keep the size because normally Midjourney will generate an image at a square size unless you choose otherwise. But the standard size for Midjourney images is a square. So as long as I don't mention the size, it's going to generate a square sized image. And you can see that I've been a member using the Midjourney since 2022. So that's been more than 2 years now. Now, actually, let me see here. All right, we have this sticker. It looks magnificent. Now, let's go back to the image generation tool here. As you can see, we have a fox, just not a sticker. So I'm going to say a cute fox sticker instead and hit generate. Now, you see here, Discord is telling me that I've got a result from Midjourney, so I have to go back to check it. And you can see the difference. So these are the Midjourney images. Now it didn't generate a sticker per se, so you can see the difference. I want to show you the difference between the tools. I think the best one to generate stickers is DALLE3, as well as Microsoft Copilot if you can use it, as well as Google Gemini, which also can generate some really good stickers. But in this case, we're only using ChatGPT. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to ask it to generate another sticker. So let's take the tiny vampire bat. I'm going to go ahead and say generate an awesome sticker of the tiny vampire bat. It's going to proceed to do it. While it's basically doing so, I'd like to go and revisit Leonardo, and you can see that Leonardo results are also pretty awesome. Now you might think, well, the sticker is actually not isolated. Well, let me show you. So if, first of all, choose the sticker you want, all right? Now I'm going to choose this one of the sticker of the fox holding the what did they call it? The wand, and I'm going to go to Canva. And inside of Canva, there is the background removal feature, right, which removes the background. You can also use Photoshop if you are good at it. I think Canva is really easy to use, so I will go with it. And then here, I'm going to go and basically create a custom-sized image of, let's just say, in terms of pixels, I'm going to go for 1000 by 1000 just to increase the resolution to make it look like a quality image. And basically, I've downloaded the image from Leonardo, so I can drag it and drop it here. And I could basically utilize this image now. Not only can I remove the background from it, but I can also add some filters. Now let me place the image first. All right, it seems that it's taking quite some time. What is going on here? Let me drag it again. Okay, perfect. Now I'm going to click on my image, and there you go. It's going to be placed here. And what I could do with it, I could click edit, and I could go to the background removal option, and eventually it's going to go and remove the background. And you see that now we have an isolated sticker, which if I zoom in, it's only the sticker. It's isolated, no background whatsoever. And this can be cut and used. Now, if I go to the adjust feature, I can auto adjust it, you know, and now there's too much highlights I've added. I think I'm going to add a little bit of darkness and a little bit of sharpness and clarity. And I think this is pretty much it. And for instance, you can see the sticker, it looks really good. I can give you a glimpse on how this is going to look in real life. So for example, if I go and look for a mug, right, a mug. There's a lot of mugs. If I go to photo here, I can take, for example, this mug right here, this one. And just for the sake of the example, I try to make this mug bigger, like so. Position it backward. And then I can take the sticker that's on top, and I can actually scale it down. And if I paste it here, you'll see how this looks. So you can see it really does look incredible. All right. So this is a pretty good sticker. You can also do the exercise by looking for a computer and checking how this is going to look in real life. So for example, we have many images of computers. All right. So I would like to get an image of a computer back, not the front. Computer back. Yep, this one, for example. And what you can do, you can increase the size of this computer, paste it here, and then we can position backward. And this is the sticker. Usually people place it in the back, and it's usually smaller like this. And if I go full screen now, have a look. This is what the sticker is going to look like on the back of the computer. All right. So you can really get an idea of how this is going to look like in real life. If you want to download the sticker, first of all, scale it to the size you want. And then center it. And then you can go ahead and say Fox sticker. Okay, click share, download. And I could download this with the transparent background. And this can be now listed onto Etsy. You can list it on Redbubble. But be sure to read both platforms' policies, because Etsy might not allow you, for example, in some cases, to list the same product on another platform. And similarly, Redbubble. Now let's click on Fox sticker. And yeah, let's open. And you can see that it looks really, really good. And then we can go back to ChatGPT here and check some other stickers. You can see this one, right? It's a vampire, tiny vampire bat, and so on and so forth. And we can keep going, you know, we can keep going. Now I'm going to do one more. We have, what do we have? The spooky unicorn, fairy kitten, enchanted frog. Now I'm going to go for spooky unicorn. And I'm going to go back now to Leonardo. I'm going to place this. I'm going to say spooky unicorn sticker. And click generate. So this is a unicorn with bat wings, a dark horn, da-da-da-da. And guess what? You can create a store just like this brand here with as many stickers as you want. And what could help you fuel your sticker design is AI. AI. Now, I believe that maybe this person is not using AI for the most part a lot, probably based on the designs that I see. They look pretty original. They look like they've been made by a real person. You can see, you can determine whether a design is made by a real person or not. I like this design. Let me see it. You can see it looks good. Yeah. We can definitely create designs like these and even better. I believe this person is probably a six-figure print-on-demand earner. They've been a long time on the platform, and they only have a limited amount of products, and they're ranked really high, really high. They're doing really good. Okay, now let's go back to Leonardo to check on our design, and here we go. We have a pretty beautiful sticker of a unicorn with bat horns, or not bat horns, bat wings, and you can pick the one you like. Okay, or you can pick two of them, right? So you can download two of them. I'm just going to download this one. I think this one is the female. The other one is also the female. I think the unicorn is a female anyways. I'm not so sure. Now let me paste this here so that I can show you how it works with stickers. You have to follow the same practice. And I'm going to edit the image. Always make sure to remove the background off of a sticker to ensure that it doesn't have a background. Okay. Right, so it doesn't take that much to remove the background. There you go. It was removed now. And if I expand upon this, it's bigger. And I can go to edit, adjust, auto adjust. Well, I've added way too much highlights. I'm going to lessen the contrast and so on and so forth. Add some shade or darkness. Go to the saturation, sharpness, clarity. And now I can say unicorn sticker, share, download. And I could download this with a transparent background. There you go. Perfect. So now if I click right here and open, I'll show you how beautiful this design is going to look. And it all started by looking at an artist and taking inspiration from their art. I hope you've enjoyed this lecture. And the next one, we're going to go and focus on the phone cases. Stay tuned for that one. And let's go ahead and focus on some phone case design. Passive Income Gen Z wishing you the best and signing out.